Flow just launched the AI Product Hub. Now, this is the first in a long line of really powerful AI tools that's coming out to Flow in early 2025. I'm excited to show you how it works. What this is going to allow you to do is upload your entire product catalog. And in fact, we have some automations that's going to go out to each of your manufacturers and pull down the product catalogs of your manufacturers into the system for you. This will also keep it up to date. So every week or every 2 weeks, it's going to pull down the new information, put it in here for you. So what you see here is there's a lot of files that have been brought down into this instance. You can add folders so that you can organize all of these files, and you can add tagging systems. You can attach files to different customers, different manufacturers, whatever you want to do to be able to organize all this so you can get to the documents how you would like to. But the most powerful feature is the most simple, and that is this Ask Flowbot question. Flowbot is all of our AI models that are going to read all of these documents in your system and allow you to ask natural language questions about your product. So much like maybe an outside salesperson calls into the inside person or someone that has more product information than they do, asking questions about warranties or specs or whatever it is about their product lines, because you guys deal with an enormous variety of products and a lot of details. Instead of them having to call in and ask product experts, they can literally just pull this up either on their computer or their phone, and they can type in their question or even speak their question with the microphone down here. And Flowbot will find the document where that answer resides, and it will tell you what the answer is. This is very similar to an experience that you may have seen in ChatGPT or Notebook LM or Chat PDF. A lot of these do similar things, but the difference here is that our models are hyper trained just on manufacturing rep workflows. So the certain products and the things that you guys ask, that's all our model is doing day in and day out. So it's going to be very targeted and very accurate. We train it not to tell lies, so it's actually going to reference where it got its information from. It doesn't have the information. It'll just tell you it doesn't have it, and it's not going to make it up. And then finally, the scale of this tool is much bigger than you'd get anywhere else. So you can literally load all of your product catalogs, all of your data, anything you want into this system, and it'll be able to answer questions on any of those documents at any time. So there's no limit on storage, there's no limit on documents. Just put it all in, and our models will be able to parse it all and answer your questions. So let's do a demo here on some questions you might ask. I'm going to copy and paste a question in here so you don't have to watch me type. We're asking Flowbot here, what are the differences between the DC Connect, Local Connect, Global Connect, and Nlight Air Control tiers, which is an Acuity product. So it's going to go through, it finds the document where the answer is, and it's going to go through, or maybe this answer is in multiple documents, it'll patch it all together. And then it's going to give you a well-formatted response that helps you understand what those differences are and what the benefits are. And this is something that'll come out when it's finished. You'll have the ability to copy this response. You can thumbs up the response to give the AI feedback that you like the answers, help train it a little bit. You can also have it verbalize it back to you. And then it also gives you a bunch of options where if you want to continue to explore this topic, here are some questions that you could ask to add to your knowledge. So can Local Connect be used in retrofit projects? Well, I didn't think about that, but maybe I should have. So I'll click on that. It asks Flowbot, and then Flowbot's going to respond to that question that it suggested to you. So hopefully this has been helpful to you to understand how the Product Hub can help you and your company. If you want to give this a try and see how it works for you, sign up for a Flow demo on the website or just send me a DM on LinkedIn and we'll set you up. This comes in at $10 per user per month, so it's half the cost of a ChatGPT Pro subscription. And I think it does a lot more for you as a rep. There's lots of great stuff coming in 2025, so stay tuned for all of that, and we'll hope to see you there.